Why the sun, the glorious sun? How can we use its energy into our home to produce electricity? Now you are about to watch the installation of a flat rooftop solar panel aluminum mounting system. It's easy and quick installation. It takes per kilowatt less than 30 minutes for installation. Our uniformed trained technicians carrying the aluminum model mounting structure and the PV panels. It's no difficulty in carrying it to the rooftop because it's lightweight of about 10 to 11 kilograms only per kilowatt. They are unpacking the basic item of PV aluminum mounting structure. As you can see, our technicians are removing Nepc aluminum model mounting structure. The mounting system consists of aluminum extrusion material with SS bolts and aluminum clamps. This is SS304 grade fasteners for tightening the PV mounting structure. Now tightening the angle with the corrugated screw. See the expert's hand tightening the PV mounting structures with the bolts and screws, and is grounded onto the rooftop via M8 anchor bolt. They are firmly tightened and secured. Now you can see the L bracket clamp that allows a secure attachment to your roof and allows the panels to sit close to the roof for resistance to wind. This is the stopper L bracket. You see the positioning of the entire rack in the south face with the angle is fixed in accordance to the location of the installation for maximum power of models. So the position stand ensures the panel always at the optimum angle. So it is very important that they arrange this angular and positioning due to our geographical location in our area. Now, the important part is measuring the distance between the two structures and marking the surface to fix the exact position to place the PV panel between the two structures. Once the measuring is done, we can proceed with the drilling on the floor to fix the anchor bolt into the ground. Making the measurement of M8 anchor bolt and marking it to match the drilling length on the surface on the roof to fix it firmly. Tightening the bolt firmly to make sure the mounting structure secured well on the floor. Tightening hardly and firmly the M8 anchor bolt. Similarly, they are fixing the third PV mounting structure, exactly like the second one, with the distance measurement and drilling level firmly on the roof surface to form a single basic structure. Tightening hardly and firmly with the M8 anchor bolt. This mounting system consists of aluminum material and other SS bolts and aluminum clamps that form a structure that allows secure attachment to your roof and allows the panels to sit close to the roof for resistance to wind. This PV panel is made by monocrystalline or polycrystalline. The maximum power 125 watt and 35 volt. Weight 13 kilograms and 25 years power output warranty. Now you can see the PV panels firmly getting mounted on the PV mounting structures. Now watch the trained hands briskly mounting the PV mounting structures on the surface of the roof firmly and securely. This is a mid clamps to be used between the two panels. Maintaining the gaps between PV panels with aluminum mid clamps, the bolting of hinges between panels. See, the hand shows the gap between the roof surface and the PV panel's end, and also between each PV panels. These are the components used in solar aluminum mounting system. Well, this is it. A flat rooftop solar panel aluminum mounting system is ready to be installed with the cables to the electrical wiring. You can see the hand showing the sun's direction and follow the solar energy falls on the PV panels.